Hello, Kit Harrison here with AutoFair Honda. Just wanted to get you a great look at the 2019 Honda Insight LX that you inquired on. Really nice car. Honda did a great job at the front end here. You get the really nice LED headlights, beautiful alloy wheels. Really nice tail end there. 55 miles to the gallon city, 49 highway. Get this turned on for you. Good look. Nice push to start there. Can't even hear it turn on. Nice digital display equipped with automatic high beams, automatic headlights, the full Honda Sensing suite here. Bluetooth, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, push button shifter. This has a ton of features. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. My number here is 603-818-6309. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.